Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve problems on composition of functions. Let us see the problem. Show that f of g of h equal to f of g of h, where f of x equal to x square, g of x equal to 2x and h of x equal to x plus 4. Let me see the LHS. LHS is f of g of h. Now the brackets, let me finish up first. So f of g of x into h of x. In place of g of x, I'm going to substitute 2x. So f of 2x into h of x. Now f of x is nothing but x square. So in place of x, I'm going to put 2x. So 2x the whole square gives me 4x square into h of x. Now my h of x is nothing but x plus 4. So let me substitute in place of x as x plus 4. So 4 times x plus 4 the whole square. This is my LHS. Now come to the RHS. We have f of g of h, that is f of g into h of x. So here f of g, where h of x is nothing but x plus 4. I am going to substitute x plus 4 here. Now f of g of x is nothing but 2x. So in place of x, I am going to put x plus 4. So 2 times x plus 4. Now f of 2 into x plus 4 is nothing but f of 2x plus 8. That is, I am taking the 2 inside. Now we know that f of x is nothing but x square. So I'm going to put in place of x as 2x plus 8. So 2x plus 8 the whole square. Now 2 is common in both the terms. So let me take the 2 outside. And moreover 2 is under the square. So when it comes outside it becomes 4. So 4 times I am left with x plus 4 the whole square, which is nothing but my LHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Let us see a problem. Show that f of g of h equal to f of g of h, where f of x equal to x minus 1, g of x equal to 3x plus 1 and h of x equal to x square. Let me take the LHS. F of g of h. Now the brackets is for f of g. So I am going to write f of g of x into h of x. Now g of x is nothing but 3x plus 1. I am going to substitute 3x plus 1. Now f of 3x plus 1 into h of x. Now f of x is nothing but x minus 1. In place of x, I am going to write 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 minus 1. Now let me cancel. That is plus 1 and minus 1 I am going to cancel. So I am left with 3x into hx. Now h of x is nothing but x square. So let me write x square here. So 3x into x square. Now in place of x, I can substitute x square. Therefore 3 into x square. This is my LHS. Now come to the RHS. Now here f of g of h. Now I'm going to first finish up with my g of h, that is f of g of h of x. Now in place of h of x, I'm going to put x square, that is f of g of x square. Now g of x is nothing but 3x plus 1. So in place of x, I'm going to put x square. So 3x square plus 1. That's what I've written here. Now f of x is nothing but x minus 1. So in place of x, I'm going to put 3x square plus 1. That is 3x square plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. So I'm left with 3x square. This is nothing but my RHS. Therefore, we can see that LHS and RHS both are equal to 3x square. Hence proved. The problem show that f of g of h equal to f of g of h, where f of x equal to x minus 4, g of x equal to x square and h of x equal to 3x minus 5. Let me take the LHS, that is f of g of h. Now let me take the brackets first, that is f of g of x into h of x. Now in place of g of x, I am going to put x square. So f of x square into h of x. Now f of x is nothing but x minus 4. Therefore x square minus 4 into h of x. Now h of x is nothing but 3x minus 5. So in place of x, I am going to put 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 the whole square minus 4. Now use the identity a minus b the whole square. So 9x square minus 30x plus 25 minus 4. On further simplification, I get 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is my LHS. Now come to the RHS. It's nothing but f of g of h. Brackets is for g of h. So f of g of h of x. So in place of h of x, I'm going to substitute 3x minus 5. Now f of g of 3x minus 5 is nothing but, we know g of x is x square. So I'm going to put in place of x as 3x minus 5. So f of 3x minus 5 the whole square. Now we know that f of x is nothing but x minus 4. So in place of x, I'm going to put 3x minus 5 the whole square. So 3x minus 5 the whole square minus 4. Now use the identity a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4. Now final step gives me 9x square minus 30x plus 21, where LHS equal to RHS. So friends, was this not interesting and easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.